Hey everyone! Welcome back to Do's English, the place where English learning feels calm, simple, and fun. I'm Jessica.
And I'm James. We are so happy you are here with us today. Thank you for listening, wherever you are, maybe walking, cooking, or relaxing. Good job just being here.
Today's topic is special, really special. The title is Change Your Mindset, Change Your Life.
Yeah, this topic is big, but don't worry, we will make it easy. Today, we talk about how thoughts can help us learn English better.
Before we start, one small request. Please click like and subscribe if you haven't yet. It helps our community grow and keeps new lessons coming.
And share this podcast with a friend who is learning English too. The world needs more learners like you.
Okay, let's start. James, what is mindset?
Mindset means the way you think, your beliefs, your attitude, your ideas about yourself and life.
Yes. For example, I can learn English, positive mindset. Or, English is impossible, negative mindset.
Right. When you have a positive mindset, learning feels possible. You feel brave, calm, and patient.
So today, we learned some simple English phrases that help change mindset and change life.
The first phrase is, I can try. Not, I must be perfect. Not, I must know everything. Just, I can try.
Let's say it together. Ready?
I can try.
I can try.
Great. Now with natural speed.
I can try.
I can try.
Example time. I see a long English book. I think, I can try. Maybe one page today.
Or, I hear someone speak English fast. Instead of saying, I don't understand, I say, I can try.
Yes, trying is success. Trying means progress.
Ooh, this one is one of my favorites. One step at a time. It means, go slowly. Don't rush. Small progress is still progress.
Let's repeat it slowly.
One step at a time.
One step at a time. Example. Today I learn one new word. That's okay. One step at a time.
Or, today I understand 30% of the podcast. No problem. One step at a time.
Exactly. Small steps grow into strong skills.
This phrase is powerful. Ready?
Mistakes help me learn.
Mistakes help me learn.
Yes, many learners feel scared to speak English because they don't want mistakes. But mistakes are teachers. Mistakes show us where to grow.
Here's a simple example. I say, she go to school. Oops, grammar mistake. Then I learn, she goes to school.
So the mistake helped the learning. Mistakes are not bad. Mistakes are part of learning.
If you make mistakes, it means you're doing the work, and that's amazing.
Let's say this with confidence. I am improving.
I am improving. This means I am getting better. Maybe slowly, but better every day.
Example. Last month, I knew 0 English words. Now I know 10 words. So I say, I am improving.
Or, last week, listening was difficult. Today, I understand more. So I say, I am improving.
Even small improvement is real improvement.
Okay, last phrase, and it is a strong one. I believe in myself.
Slow. I believe in myself.
I believe in myself. Natural, I believe in myself.
I believe in myself. This means I trust myself. I know I can grow. I know I can learn.
Example, speaking feels scary, but I say, I believe in myself.
Confidence doesn't come first. Trying comes first, and confidence grows after.
So be kind to yourself. You deserve that kindness.
Okay, now let's do a quick listen-repeat practice. I will say a sentence, you repeat after me. Ready? I can try. One step at a time. One step at a time. I am improving. I believe in myself.
Great job. Really, great job. Today we learned mindset phrases to help you grow and feel confident while learning English.
Let's say them again quickly. I can try. One step at a time. Mistakes help me learn. I am improving. I believe in myself.
If you remember even one of these sentences, your mindset is already changing.
Thank you so much for learning with us today. If you enjoyed this episode, please click like and subscribe to Do's English. It helps our community grow.
And now we have a fun question for you. Community question. What is one small English action you will do today? Example, I will learn one word, or I will listen to this podcast again.
Write your answer in the comments. We read them all, and we love seeing your progress.
Thank you for being here. You are doing amazing.
See you in the next episode. Bye!
Bye.